do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now.
Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for watching. If you're a subscriber, thanks for staying solid. So today is my birthday and that's why I'm wearing a different color wig. I wanted to try something different. I actually really like it. This wig was supposed to be 28 inches and it came like this. So if you do like this wig and you want to get it, you're potentially getting a wig that's 28 inches and it looks like this. I recorded this video yesterday so I could just pop this on my head. It is a glueless wig, so if you don't want to put glue on it, you can just put it on top of your head and it works easily. I just put glue today because I just wanted to keep it secure, so that's all. But if you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. This is what it came in. It came today, and so as you can see, this is what it looks like. I ordered 28 inches, and then this is the bag. This is the bag. 100% human hair will see. And when you open the bag, so it comes with like a wig band to place your wig. And they gave me like a headband, I think, or yeah, like I think to put on top of it, as well as a wig cap. It came with a wig cap. But this is the look that I was going for. This is the wig. Ooh, it looks so pretty. Okay. So I hope y'all can see the color. Do y'all see how vibrant it is? It's so cute. It's so freaking cute. It's so cute. So it has the net on it. Let me get closer. It has the net on it. Well, I just took it off. It has this thing. It's supposed to be glueless. So this is what it looks like. It's a lot. It's giving, you know, scalp. It's giving scalp. It has 4 combs. So it has a comb here. It has a comb on the both sides, and then at the bottom and in the middle part. And you can see the top part is free. This doesn't look like 28 inches. It stops right here. So it doesn't look like 8 inches at all. It literally stops right here. So I've had hair 26 inches up to like close to my butt. So this was definitely not 28 inches. Absolutely not. So I'm going to use my wax stick since I just parted, and I use the Edge Booster by Style Factor pomade stick so it can lay down flat.
Coming soon to me. No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe. Safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you?
So do y'all see the difference? It's like flat here and like puffy here. So we're gonna make this part flat, like this one.
Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming.
It looks flat right now. Right now I'm gonna start by sectioning the hair and putting water through it and mousse so it's curls throughout.
Oh, but even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long.
that feel dry. The hair throughout feels soft. It's just like mainly the ends. So I'm going to add more wire towards it. I'm not sure why it feels dry, but yeah, that's the main thing. But I haven't really gotten any shedding so far. Just brushing through it, but yeah, now it looks better. Yeah, it was like more dry at the ends. So I bought this diffuser attachment. It looks like this. I bought this diffuser attachment, and it's supposed to like make your curls pop anymore. I didn't want to buy a whole, it's pink. I didn't want to buy like a whole diffuser thing. So this is what it looks like, and you're supposed to be able to attach it to the blow dryer you have. So like I had to squeeze it in there, but this is what it looks like. And what I've been watching a bunch of videos, and what they say is you're supposed to blow dry it on top of it so the product stays, and then slowly like push it up. So that's what we're gonna do and see how the curls come out.
Look at what you do to me. Our secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Gotta hold the sheet, don't need to know what's going on, it won't be on.
So they said when it becomes like 70% dry, you can start like flipping it and stuff so it doesn't get frizzy. So I feel like this is 70% dry right now, so I'm gonna try flipping it.
Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over, even when you're gone.
As y'all can see, the hair got bigger. I kind of want it to be a little bit more bigger, because I feel like it's missing some gaps. So I'm gonna like fluff it out here and just put it there, down there like that. Just fluff it. Okay, cool. So this would give the illusion that it's like huge, which I think I like it, even though it's definitely not 28 inches. I definitely like it. It has layers built into it. If y'all can see it, it's like that. I didn't know there was gonna be layers built into it. I think it helps with making the hair bigger, so I think that's a plus. Yeah, I think it's super cute. I think it's really super cute. And I love how I did the curls, so yeah, I think it's cute. Tell me what y'all think. This is not the final look, but yeah. So this is the final look. So the main thing I did was just bronze my forehead to finish my makeup, and I just put concealer here so it can show like some type of separation since the color is light. And I did check this hair to see if it is glueless, and it is. I will insert a clip. I put I recorded a video of me in lighting to see how the hair will look without like makeup or anything like that, and it still looks good. So if you are interested in getting this wig, again, this I thought I was getting 28 inches, but this is what I ended up with. So if you do like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.